Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out an FD-258 form. This guide will walk you through each section, ensuring your submission is accurate and complete. We'll cover everything from personal details to the specific codes required. Following these steps carefully will help you avoid common errors and ensure your fingerprint card is processed smoothly. Let's get started with the essential information you'll need. When filling out the FD-258, start with your personal information at the top. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, and a detailed physical description, such as height in inches and weight in pounds. Next, accurately enter your social security number and any previously assigned FBI number. Finally, ensure you use the correct reason for fingerprinting code, which is often provided by the requesting agency. Double-check all these details for accuracy. One of the most common issues is smudged or illegible fingerprints. Ensure the person taking your prints uses proper rolling techniques to capture clear impressions. Never use whiteout or attempt to alter any information on the form once it's written. If you make a mistake, you'll likely need a new card. Always verify that every required field is completed accurately and legibly before submitting your FD-258 form to prevent delays. Once your FD-258 form is accurately completed and your fingerprints are taken, submit it directly to the agency that requested it. It's always a good practice to make a photocopy of the entire completed form for your personal records before sending it off. This ensures you have a reference if any questions arise later. And speaking of smart solutions, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.